In this video, we're going to look at another example of sketching the domain of a function of two variables. So in this one, we're asked to find and sketch the domain of the function f of xy equals inverse sine of x plus y. So in order for that inverse sine function to be defined, we need to make sure that its argument, which in this case is x plus y, is in between -1 and 1. So we set up that double inequality of -1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to x plus y is less than or equal to 1. And we rearrange it a little bit and subtract x everywhere, and we get that y needs to be in between -x minus 1 and -x plus 1. So we see that the domain here, this is a typo. This should be a 1, not an x, clearly. It just needs to be this double inequality rewritten. So in set builder notation, we can write the domain as the set of all x, y, such that -x minus 1 is less than or equal to y is less than or equal to -x plus 1. And if we think about the lines, that the boundary of this region, I should say, there are lines, y equals -x minus 1 and y equals -x plus 1. So we draw those two lines, and in this case we want these lines to be included because we have less than or equal to signs here. So we draw those two lines first, and we want the y to be in between those two. So we sketch this little strip in the xy plane, and this represents the domain of the function f of xy equals inverse sine of x plus y.